Welcome back. What we will do now is to add a bar chart. So let's just give ourselves a little bit more room by minimizing the filters here, and that makes it easier to view as well. So to begin with, we want to look at the date of the week text, and we want to actually look at random number as well. Just that right now this is not the format that we want, so we'll just change it to a class to column chart. So let's just maximize this a little bit this way. Okay, now right now we want to look at the minimum values, which is not very handy. By looking at this, what you can see is that the number is not it's whole one, so that's not actually very useful at all. So what we can do is actually change it to average, which is a little bit better. The alternative here is that because we've selected many years and the random number generation is such that you will have the minimum value of 1 being come through for one of the day anyway. So it won't be like so if we actually select it, just say that 2011, then the chances of it 1 being selected for that day is a lot lower. Hence you actually have that variation there. So let's just say what we're looking at here is the sales data on a day-to-day basis. So now that we've changed it to minimum, we can actually view it this way. What we can do now is that we do want to sort it ascendingly and sort it by the day of the week. And again, this is not the exact format that we want. You will recall what we used to do, or what we did before, was actually select day of the week, come to our columns and sort by day of the week number instead. That will give us, when that refresh is done, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way to Sunday. And that allows us that option of presenting it in a manner that's useful. So let's just say now I'm at this stage, I'm comfortable and I'm happy with this. I want to actually change a few layout, or just change my data label. The next thing is that you probably want to change the color. In terms of the data color, right now the color is very consistently blue, so let's just change it to something that's a little bit more warm. Let's just say choose that one, minimize that, and we want to actually change our, let's just remove the title. For our y-axis, rather than calling it minimum, so we call it sales. And then with the x-axis, remember the sales here is just pretend, okay, so don't be too concerned about that. Day, okay, day will be sufficient. So what you have now is that this is a pseudo, and I do mean pseudo because we're using random number to generate this. You can see that on Monday we sold 4 units, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday 5. Maybe for Friday and Saturday people will slack off, either that or customers not interested to actually buy these items on Friday and Saturday. So that's one way of looking at this cluster bar chart that we've created. Okay, so I hope that has been useful in terms of how you actually create a bar chart, although it looks similar to this, but it's slightly different in the way that we want to present the information by using different views. So when we come back, we will actually go into how to use cards.